New York, New Jersey, including New England, Massachusetts, of course, is included. And of course, my friend Tony Mateo. He was 5-term president of PAMAS. He has done and served the best he can and devoted his life to this organization. When I say devoted his life, 28 of those 28 years, he was there. And of course, our special guest of honor, and of course our elected president, Ms. Teng Chifi. Please give her a hand. Next, we have Mr. Doy Heredia. He is the COO, the Chief Operating Officer of the National Umbrella Organization, which is NAPA, based in Washington, D.C. He flew tonight just to be with us, just to be with you. And PAMAS is paying for his fare. I'm just kidding. He lives in Rhode Island, but he is in Washington, D.C. And of course, my better half, Virgie Jacinto.
Yeah, Mom!
Is Tony Chifi, the wonderful husband of our elected president, Teng Chifi. Tony. And of course, my friend, she is the head of the Santo Niño Filipino Apostolate. She was with me through thick and thin, Miss Gloria Platon. And of course, our MC, my first vice president for the past 4 years. He was a hardworking man, Mr. Mike Mateo. Would you be kind